Hello and welcome to the explanation for the ultimate any card at any number. So what you are going to be needing is something I'm sure you all have lying around, which is a Svengali deck. Yes, I know. You might seem disappointed because the method is so simple, but don't worry, fools people. So you need it set up, random card, force card, random card, force card for the whole deck. Okay, like that. Alright, so then once you set it up like that, the next step is you are going to add something to the Svengali deck that makes this effect possible. So you're going to take the top two cards, which should be force card, random card, and you're going to put a strip of repositionable glue on the back of the random card and on the front of the force card. And then you're just going to let it sit for a minute. Just for explanation purposes, I'm just going to use it after a few seconds, but it should sit for about a minute. So then you're going to fold it over, and they'll stick together when it's just set on the table, but then when you go like this, they'll come apart. So then you all know the classic Svengali deck look. They remember a card, say stop. Look, that's your card. It jumps to the top. All the cards are the same card. That handling always seemed kind of weird to me, so we're going to start off the regular way, saying, look, all the cards are different, right? They'll verify they see all the cards are different. And then, to have them select a card, you're just going to dribble down and let them say stop. Let's just say they say stop there. And they're going to remember that card. And I mean, no matter where they say stop, I'll probably know this. Say stop, it's right there. And then to say where no one knows where your card is, we're going to shuffle it into the deck. I don't know how this works, but it does. The cards come down in pairs. That's what makes this possible. So, the cards come down in pairs. And I mean, since they're coming down in pairs, look. Looks like this. Okay. And as you may notice, it's kind of messed up. So I'll show you what I mean. So you need to make sure this does not happen. So it's random card, force card, random card, force card, random card, so then you just have to go through and do this. And it's like, to make sure that's right, I do this excuse. Look, I'm just gonna make sure, wait, where was your card, what was your card? And then obviously I already know, but then, your card was the 9 of hearts, you say? Okay, yeah, it's somewhere in here, okay. Now, I know exactly where it is, down from the top, like, I like 36, 37, exactly number-wise. Now, you're gonna guess where it is. And then, you're gonna spread the cards out on the table. I'll just do it closer to the camera so it's easier to see. And the cards are spread out on the table. Now, the beauty of this is no matter what number they say, it always works. Always. So, this is the one part to remember that is in some way not challenging at all, but this is the hardest part of the routine. If they say an even number, you're going to push the two cards over as one, and then start counting. But if they say an odd number, you're going to have to separate them and go over. For example, if they say 17, look. Oh, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Then you can show it. But the easier way is, like, if they say 16 for, like, I don't know, 18. Since, remember, I just went through the cards to make sure they were in the right order, and then I said, look, now I know exactly where your card is. So then, like, let's just say they said 20, which is an even number. So if they now you're gonna say, let's just say they say 20. Now you're gonna say correct, and they're like, what are you talking about? And then no, I mean, I looked through the deck to find out where your card is, and you said 20, right? Your card was actually the 20th card down. I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And obviously it's going to be the 9 of hearts, but they don't know that. So it's like, look, well, your card was the 9 of hearts, you said? Oh. Well, you know what, that's kind of funny. Wait, your card's not in there? Or, oh, wait, that's weird. You know what, what was your card? Yeah, there. And no matter what they say, it works every time. Thank you, and although this does look a lot like Position Impossible with the, routine, the methods are completely different, and this does not use any memorization, mathematics, or anything. I hope you enjoy it.